Hey everyone, many of you may already be familiar with Marine Parts Source as one of your best sources online to get parts and accessories for your boat. But what you may not be aware of is that we also have a special division of our company that conducts all sorts of interesting projects to help upgrade your boat and enhance your experience on the water. It's called Specialty Services. Here in Port Huron, Michigan, it's a unique part of our company where we conduct all sorts of interesting projects that are really going to make the most of your boat. Recently, we had a customer come to us with a 23-foot Boston Whaler, and we knew this boat pretty well because we had previously done a repower on it where we put twin Suzuki engines on the boat. The customer, though, wasn't getting the top speed that they were hoping for. Usually when you're throttling up on the boat, you should be able to max out your throttle when you hit top speed, but that just wasn't happening in this case. Led us to believe that the props were maybe just a little bit undersized. So once we determined that we were going to be upsizing the propellers on the boat, we needed to make sure we get all the correct information so we know what size of propeller we actually need. There are a lot of factors that can help determine this. What kind of weight are you going to have on the boat? How much gas are you going to be using? How many people are normally going to be on the boat? What's the target speed or RPMs that you're going for? So once we identified exactly what size and type of propellers we wanted, it was time for our techs to get to work. And the first step is simply to remove the old propeller, and it can be on there pretty tight. So we put a block of wood in there to brace the propeller while we turned off the propeller nut and got the propeller off the shaft. Now we really like using turning point propellers, and there are a variety of reasons why. For one, they continuously outperform all the other brands of propellers out there in the market. Over and over again, and test after test, they offer better hole shot, they get up to plane faster, and just offer better performance efficiency than all their competitors, even the original engine equipment manufacturers. And probably the best feature of all with turning point propellers are the interchangeable hubs. So basically, when you have the right hub for your application installed on your prop shaft, it's a very easy process to upsize or downsize your prop depending on what you're trying to achieve. Once the hub is on, you simply can take the prop off and put a new size on without much problem at all. And that's what happened in this project as well. We already had the hubs on the prop shafts. We were able to simply take off the old size props, put slightly bigger ones on, and upgrade the customer at a very minimal cost and save them a lot of money. Once that was done, we clean up the shaft really well, get any kind of garbage or debris off of it, and then it's time to grease it up. You want to grease it properly because if it's not greased when you put the new propeller on, that new prop can seize up and it's not going to turn right. So we like to use triple guard grease from Bombardier or Johnson Evinrude, and that's the proper grease for that type of application. It's going to ensure that your prop spins the correct way and performs like you want it to. Once that shaft is greased, then it's a simple process to simply put that new propeller on. Again, because we left those interchangeable hubs in place, we didn't have to change out any kind of hub or a lot of hardware. It was put that new propeller on, tighten it in with the prop nut, and you're basically ready to go. So after we got those propellers on, we took the boat out on the water, and I'm happy to say it was a huge success. The customer was able to achieve the speed and the RPMs that they were looking for, and the overall performance of the boat was exactly what they wanted. So we're really satisfied with the result. Of course, if you're looking to upgrade the propellers on your boat, you can reach out to us at Marine Parts Source. We've got ABYC certified experts that can help walk you through all the steps to make sure that you get the correct type and size of propeller for your boat. You can just reach out to us at the number on the screen. And of course, if you're in the Port Huron, Michigan area, and you'd like to conduct this type of project or another interesting upgrade to your boat, just reach out to us at this number where the folks at Specialty Services can help you achieve your boat dreams. We really appreciate you watching today, and if you've got questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, we'd really like it if you'd like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, you can find us online at marinepartssource.com.